When it comes to entry-level IT certifications, don't let people tell you that it's just one, which is the common one that you always hear about, which is the A+ certification. It's more entry-level certifications than that, but the one that you hear least about is ITF Plus, IT Fundamentals. Like I said, you usually hear about the A+, which is a 2-part certification. So if you fail one part, you got to retake it and repay for it. I never liked that. But then as I looked on during the years, I seen that it was another one, which was ITF Plus, which I said, what? IT Fundamentals. So we're going to do a little bit of talking about that, y'all. So ITF, right? What is a pre-career certification? And don't let all these super pre-career, after learning, whatever, certification is certification. So let me tell y'all about that. So anyway, like I was saying, let's talk about what it focuses on, and that'll explain to you why it's easier than the A+, like I said, which is 2 parts. The ITF is 1 part. So it says pretty much providing foundational knowledge and practical skills. It focuses on essential tech concepts and basic troubleshooting, building a solid foundation for your future. Okay, learning and growth in the tech industry, blah blah blah. So they got the ITF Plus V5 exam objectives, and IT concepts and technology, that's 17% of it. Then infrastructure, that's 22%. Application and software, that's 18%. Software development, that's 12%. Database fundamentals, 11%, and then 20% is security. And with that, you're going to be doing security basics, threats prevention, secure devices, and wireless security. For databases, you'll do database concepts, which would be like tables, records, fields, and primary keys. Data structures, flat files, software, programming, of course, languages, stuff like that. So that's why I think that would be better, because pre-career or not, no one's going to see a certification with like, oh, you got that. That's a pre-career certification. If you know your stuff, you know your stuff, period. And they also have another junk too. Like I said, they got IT Fundamentals, which is a certification. And then you also got, where's the other certifications? Because they got things on here that say certification, comp certs, and all of that. But at the end of the day, a certification is a certification. And I just wanted y'all to know that and look into that, because some people are sitting around here thinking that they got to take the A+, studying like crazy for the A+, when you can take the IT Plus and or ITF Plus and be good to go.